Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public.
Hello everyone. Today we have with us Georgina Zimbitas, who is a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Strathclyde in the UK. Hi Georgina, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, Pranoti. How are you?
I'm good, excited to learn about you and your science.
Excellent.
Let's begin by understanding your research. So could you explain your research to us in super simple words, please?
Yes, I'm going to talk about my recent current research, which involves using laser techniques, mainly dynamic light scattering and nano-tracking analysis. These are both techniques that use lasers, basically, to actually detect the presence of very, very small particles. In my case, I am detecting nanocluster formations of organic small molecules in aqueous solutions.
Right. Oh, okay. That's it sounds quite complicated, and I hope you can break it down and simplify it for us.
So basically what I'm doing is using lasers, and with these lasers, I'm detecting the presence of very, very small aggregates of organic molecules in water.
Okay. That is a simplified version. Okay, I think that part I understand better. That sounds really cool. Never thought about it. That sounds really cool. Let's talk more about it on the extended podcast. What I would like to know from you now is what can the followers expect in the week that you will be curating the Real Sci Nano Twitter account?
Well, I'm planning on doing some things which might change, obviously, but on Monday I will do a bit of an introduction about myself. I've traveled quite a bit and done quite a lot of research in various fields, mainly chemical engineering and materials engineering. I've reached to the point where now I'm doing these nanoclusters that I'm talking about. So it's been quite a journey.
Right.
And on the rest of the week, I will be talking about some things, some techniques and some basics when it comes to using lasers to detect these nanoclusters. So I'll be talking about Brownian motion. That is very important. What exactly these nanoclusters are, the ones that I'm talking about. About dynamic light scattering technique and the nanoparticle tracking analysis. I'll also talk about some other techniques that are complementary and give us even more information, such as SAX, which is a small angle X-ray scattering. And on Sunday, I hope to do a bit of a recap.
Okay, so it's quite an action-packed week with full of science and the interesting techniques and also the traveling part. That is also interesting because most of the scientists are usually traveling quite a lot, right? For PhD, for postdocs, second postdoc, third postdoc, whatnot. So that sounds amazing. So wonderful to have you on Real Scientist Nano. We are excited to have you curate the Twitter account. Thank you very much, Georgina, for speaking with us.
I'm excited too. I look forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website realscientistsnano.org and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.